Okay, we're back. I guess we got some parts here. The turbo out there for the Ford. This is I gotta return the one currently on Jetta. That's for my dad's car. I'm currently heading into town to go grab the new blower motor and some axle nut sockets. So it'll be fun. Alright, we're back at the parts store. Gonna get this guy to come out. Maybe, I don't know. Nope. Come on now.
Resistors here to discharge the capacitor, so you know because.
Well, let's see if maybe changing it out makes a difference. Alright, we're back with the new one. I don't really have high hopes for this because same exact one. Oh well. We'll give it a shot. And you can kind of smell what I'm stepping in anyways. Oh, yeah, I like that way better. That just pops right in there. I think that's gonna be way better. So the last one didn't do this. Sweet. So much better.
Charge.
It still kind of got that sound.
Cloth line.
It's better. Yeah, I'm just gonna say it's better. It fit, so. Oh, we're here today working on a 2011 Impala. We're gonna do front brakes, rotors and pads, and we're gonna do front hubs too, so. Got my mama here with me. Hello. Hello. Alrighty. Okay, so we're gonna do caliper rebuild here. Goodness. At least I had grease. Whew. There we are. All right, we're gonna throw these back together. So I'm gonna give you guys a crash course. You really want to take your time and clean out all that crappy grease that gets stuck in these guys. Put your rubber on first before you put grease on it. Helps you just push it all up in there. There's a little rubber like O-ring thing that goes on the end of your pins. Slap them all in. I usually take a wire wheel and clean this surface. Anywhere these touch, keep that corrosion from pinching the pads. And yeah, I was able to find this little screw here for the actual rotor. Bam! So that was nice. I got them left over from the Jetta. Our next step is we're gonna mount this guy up here, slap the brake pads on, and you're gonna have to push this caliper in and slap it all back together. So let's get right to it. Whoever did this before did a really nice job at making sure everything was anti-seized. So I appreciate that. Whoever you were, just know I appreciate you for thinking about the next guy. Not many people think about the next guy. This car must have been looked after pretty well. Okay, so now we gotta give them a snug. Little snuggly Jeff here. Snuggly Jeff action. And the only thing I really was anal about torquing down was the axle nut right here. Everything else I just go by feel. Like right about there. Right about there. Okay, now let me slap these pads on. Let me go double check and make sure. I wanted to make sure they weren't giving me all both one side. Just simple. Simple and beautiful. Okay. Dunsky Doodle. Doodle. Yeah, that'll work just fine. Oh, shucks. I never actually checked about, oh, this is gonna be fun. So usually what you'd want to do is crack your bleeder loose first before trying this whole thing. But since I didn't think that far ahead, we're gonna have to try and crack it loose. I'm gonna guess it's a 10 mil. I'm right. Okay, let's see if we're gonna have issues here. Nope, we're good. So now what we want to do is, okay, we're going to want to aim this guy. I'm going to want to put some tension on this guy first. And then it loose a little bit. Okay. And now, try not to drip it onto our rotor. Oh, it's going everywhere. Well. It's ready to go. And that's how I do it. I'm not saying this is the only way, and I'm not even... Okay, just like that, we're back. As I was saying, you're probably gonna want to bleed the brakes before you go ahead and take her down the road, or at the very least, before you put it in gear, you need to actuate them brakes a time or two to get that fluid to pump back up, or else you're gonna go for a hell of a ride. So yeah, I just gotta find the little thingus, the little nipple that goes on the darn thing, and then we can move on. I can't seem to find it though. Oh, yeah, there it is. You always want to make sure your nipple is covered. Covered nipples are good nipples. Yeah, gotta take all the tools out too. Easy now. And we're back. Go ahead and get this all spritzing. Some good stuff, but it's stuff nonetheless. Okay. There. Goodness. That one's gonna be hot. Hot, 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 hot.
Oh, hot, 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 hot.
I don't need, oh, yes I do. Okay, we're gonna follow my own advice. While we're here, we're gonna crack this guy open. Remember? Oh. Oh. Okay. Good enough. Just needed to crack open a little bit. Oh, comes the shmoo. 13, right? Yep. Oh, what am I doing? There we are. You know what I should be using? In fact, I'm gonna try it out right now. Right? Wrong. There. The earthquake. Nope. It wants nothing to do with that. Now, I probably should have went with the Milwaukee, but oh. Works just as nice, I think. Okay, now we'll add a pry bar. I'm kind of hoping the audio isn't too bad for you guys, but this is just the media mod audio. So it ain't nothing special. Get up there. There we go. We need the 15 now. To get that out. Need the 15 in this guy. Maybe even the big one. I don't think that's a 15, bud. Or no, this is the 15. Yeah, there we go. It's definitely a 15. I just grabbed the 16. Oh, my lord. Okay. Am I doing this the wrong way? Hold on. No, I'm going the right way. It's just f***ing on there. Okay. Hold on here. Ow! Easy, fella. Okay, goodness gracious. What's a pain right in the cunning lingles? I tell you what. I tell you what. So nice. That's so nice. It really is. That's so nice. Holy cow. Alrighty, there's that. Okay, so next we need, I guess first, we can pop that onto the fingerless. So this thing's got a little clip right here that you need to pop out. It's not that bad. You just kind of do one of these numbers. Boop. Bam. And you unclip it. And that is your wheel speed sensor. Okay. That is all undid. Now we just got these bolts, which I think are 15s if I'm not. No, maybe not. 13s. I was not mistaken. Yep, they're 13s. Oh no. Come on now. Can't spill my drink. No. Woo! That one was on there, bud. That one was on there. Okay. Ooh, what? Oh, okay. Just like that, another job is done. We're gonna check the transmission fluid and take it for a test drive.